For today's recipe, Link will be joined by IQ, Gastro Bob, and Yar, Captain Cook. And backed up as always by Guinea Page and the Animal Crackers.
I just got back from Captain Cook's ship, and he gave me some of his latest catch. Avocados, all the way from Central America.
Yar. But they be weird and green and hard. I don't know what you'd use them for. Oh, I know! Cannonballs!
Oh, hold on, Captain Cook. I know exactly what to do with these avocados. Make guacamole. Oh no, Captain Cook was right. These avocados are still hard, which means they haven't ripened yet. I wonder if there's a way to speed up the ripening.
Yes, we can, Link, with science.
Ripening is triggered by a gas called ethylene that the avocado makes itself. But you can boost the speed your avocado ripens at by using the ethylene released from other ripening fruits like apples and bananas.
Putting an apple together with your avocados in the same paper bag can concentrate the ethylene gas.
Let the experiment begin. Lab rat, fast forward. Wow, Gastro Bob. It worked! The avocados that were inside the bag are softer.
Next time you have something that needs to be ripened fast, you can use the apple in the paper bag trick.
These avocados are perfect for guacamole. So let's get started. For our guacamole recipe, we'll need 4 ripe avocados, 3/4 of a cup of freshly diced tomatoes, half a teaspoon of fine sea salt, half a cup of finely chopped green onions, 1/3 of a cup of fresh lime juice, from 2 to 3 limes. I love avocado. The avocado has a really, really big seed called the pit. But be careful, it's really slippery. Whoa!
Eureka! A big seed. That gives me an idea for an experiment.
That'll mean more avocados. Awesome! My avocados are turning brown.
Avocados, like many other fruits and vegetables, contain an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase. When you cut open the fruit, it gets exposed to oxygen in the air. The enzyme reacts with the oxygen and you get browning.
What a lovely day for the beach.
Yes, the sun is shining.
Oh, my enzymes are turning brown. Do I have any oxidizing tan lines?
Nope, no tan lines here.
The browning doesn't affect the taste, but I wonder how I can still keep my avocados looking green. Sounds like a mystery that needs some solving.
The word on the street is that leaving the seed in will help your avocado from turning brown. But the seed didn't save this avocado. And the lime juice didn't shield this avocado either. How can we protect these innocent fruits from polyphenol oxidase? That's it. We can solve the case of the browning avocado with plastic wrap. Cover your guacamole tightly when you are finished, Link, and it'll keep the oxygen out and the freshness in.
We've cut and scooped all of our avocados. Now it's time to add the lime juice. And mash it up so it's a lot more smooth than it is chunky. We're gonna add our chopped green onion, our salt, and our diced tomatoes. Holy guacamole! That's good! You can vary your recipe at home by adding cilantro or hot peppers if you like things hot, hot, hot. But for now, we're gonna cool it down by putting it in the fridge.
This avocado seed, with a little light and water, has everything it needs to grow into another avocado plant. Give it enough time, and the new avocado tree could grow as high as a house.
Cool. When's that gonna happen?
Well, an avocado seed is slow to sprout. It's going to take about 3 months.
Then I definitely have time to make tortilla chips. They're like crunchy little scoops for our guacamole. We're gonna make about 8 to 10 servings, and I already have everything I need. Some oil, some sea salt, and 1 package of corn or wheat tortillas. I preheated our oven to 350 degrees. Now let's slice up our tortillas into little triangles like this. And we're gonna lay them out on a baking sheet. Add a little bit of oil. Sprinkle some sea salt. And we're gonna pop them in the oven and let them bake for about 6 minutes. Lab rat, if you please. Now it's time to flip. I meant the tortillas! That's better. And we're gonna put them back in the oven to bake for another 6 or 10 minutes until they're golden and crispy, which will give me just enough time to tidy up.
Let's tidy up, let's tidy up, let's tidy up, let's tidy up, let's tidy up. When you're finished and the cooking's done, let's tidy up. Even though you had lots of fun, let's tidy up. Gotta clean up the pots and pans, gotta put them away, you gotta wash your hands. You gotta do your best to clean up your mess and tidy up.
Our tortilla chips are ready. Just remember to let them sit for a minute before eating, because they're really hot. And look, the plastic wrap kept our avocados from oxidizing. Nice. Captain Cook, why don't you give it a try?
These avocado green things be not weird but tasty.
What a day in the Gastro Blast kitchen for avocado fans. Link crushed, smashed, and mashed those avocados for an all-star slam-dunkable dip. And he remained true to Team Green with an excellent defense play with plastic wrap. No oxidization for those avocados. Don't forget the tortilla chip bonus round that had us on the edge of our seats with a sensational flip maneuver. Guacamole and tortilla chips.
What about you, Gastro Bob?
Come on, avocado, grow.
Gastro Bob? Maybe next time. I had a gastro blast making guacamole and chips with you today. See you next time. Hey, IQ!